Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add control panel, command from device manager, task manager and context menu of Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you whenever we right mouse click we can see this context menu, right? So we don't have any command from or device manager or task manager being included in this context menu. So how you can add those programs? So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, just hit enter on your computer keyboard. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now below you can see here two type of registry files. So here you can see this one is for adding this registry, and if you want to remove it later on, if you don't want it anymore, then you can just use this registry which is written remove. So first just double click on this written with the add. So finally it's asking to confirm. Click on yes, click on OK. Now let us right mouse click on our desktop screen again and click on this show more options. Now you can see here one new options been included, classic menu. So you can see here command from, you can see everything, control panel, task manager, tons of options, event run, device manager, disk management, computer management, everything you can get here, programs and features, power options, tons of options here, right? So you can see we have finally added the control panel, command from, device manager and task manager in context menu of Windows. So if you want to remove it again, just run this registry file which is written with the remove. Just double click on it. Now click on yes, click on OK. So let us check again if it is removed or not from the context menu. Just right mouse click, click on some more options. So you can see the option is being removed. So in this way you can add control panel, command from, device manager, task manager and context menu of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.